Legendary American cars, 1952,000 automobile. Pushpin 1950s. Chevrolet Bel Air. Ford Thunderbird. Cadillac Series 62. Pushpin 1960s. Ford Mustang 64. Chevrolet Camaro. Dodge Charger. Pushpin 1970s. Pontiac Firebird. Chevrolet Corvette C3. Dodge Challenger. Pushpin 1980s. DeLorean DMC-12. Ford Mustang GT. Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Pushpin 1990s. Dodge Viper. Chevrolet Impala SS. Ford Explorer. Ending 2 sec. Which decade is your favorite? Comment below. Automobile: a journey through the most iconic American cars from 1950 to 2000. From classic muscle to timeless legends, this video celebrates the machines that defined American automotive history. Warning: all footage used in this video is royalty-free and for educational entertainment purposes only. Back-end decades covered: 1950s Chevrolet Bel Air, Thunderbird Cadillac. 1960s Mustang, Camaro Charger. 1970s Firebird, Corvette Challenger. 1980s DeLorean, Mustang GT, Monte Carlo SS. 1990s Dodge Viper, Impala SS, Ford Explorer. Like Speech Balloon, comment bell, subscribe for more automotive history.